Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up Oppo Reno 10 Pro for senior person. And to do this we'll need to open our settings. Right here in the top find the simple mode. And that's the only setting we should change, because as you can see in a moment, all of the icons become much bigger. We also have the text that is much bigger. And when you go to your settings, it's limited, so you won't have the straight access to all of the settings. And to enter them, click on all settings. And to leave that mode, simply click on exit simple mode inside the settings as well. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.